Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 to your smartphone or tablet, follow these step-by-step instructions for a seamless pairing experience. Step 1. Charge your Galaxy Buds 3 case for at least 10 minutes before first use to ensure sufficient battery power. Step 2. Open the Galaxy Buds 3 charging case with the earbuds inside. This automatically puts them in pairing mode for the first connection. Step 3. On your Android device, open Settings and navigate to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. Your device will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for Galaxy Buds 3 in the list of available devices. Step 5. Tap on Galaxy Buds 3 when it appears to initiate the pairing process. Step 6. If prompted, confirm the pairing on both your device and the earbuds by following on-screen instructions. Step 7. For Samsung phones, you may be prompted to install the Galaxy Wearable app for additional features and customization options. Step 8. Once paired, test the connection by playing music or a video. Adjust volume and check if both earbuds are working properly. Your Galaxy Buds 3 will automatically connect when you open the case near your paired device in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.